Why am I nervous? Why am I
This
nervous?
is the ultimate.
This is the final video of this video. Who knows me best? So now it's my turn. We're gonna do this with Rach and Mads to see who knows me best out of the two of you. So I tried to do these questions like maybe a little bit different. I'm scared some of them are going to be a bit hard, but obviously me and Mads have filmed this, the two of us as well, so I wanted to pick questions that weren't like too generic, because I feel like we did a lot of generic questions.
What buzzer are you? 3.
I miss.
That's a long one.
Okay, maybe I need a. Okay, I'll do that one.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've got.
Okay, right. Well, comment down below who you think is going to win.
I'm not sure. It
It's
will
very
depend on the
even.
question.
It will. Okay.
I feel like this is like probably the fairest because we've.
You both know me the longest, like
Yeah.
the same amount of
You're
time.
the person that we've known the longest.
Yeah.
What happens if we?
Oh yeah, what's the forfeit?
Are we doing a forfeit?
Are we doing? Okay,
Well,
I don't
you know, guys, it's actually quite late, you know.
It is quite late.
And we're not going crazy. Look at us in our pajamas.
Actually, we're not looking to
Three cozy girls.
Crazy.
Okay, well the person who loses buys the next dinner.
Yeah.
Okay,
when we
fine.
go out.
When we go out, yes.
Okay. Right, question number 1.
Wait, you didn't give me mentally enough time. Okay, fine.
Question number 1 is quite a simple one. What is my current go-to lip product?
Now, here we go.
love how
No.
you
Because I need to just clarify. Is it everything specifically, or could I just say lip liner?
It's a specific.
Oh. Hey. Yeah.
And
No, I asked a question just to clarify for them what my answer would be. And it's a Charlotte.
Oh,
No,
here we
it's
go.
not. It's not. Is that?
Do you think you know?
Yeah.
Oh, I know it's a lip liner because that's all that you wear.
Yeah.
And I thought it was like a Charlotte Tilbury vibe.
Okay.
And I thought maybe perhaps a Pillow Talk lip liner. I knew that! I knew that! And I could have said that off the back!
Rachel, I'm so competitive as well, so this is actually going to get
interesting.
She's done it for the UK. She's done it for Great Britain. I knew it.
Oh no,
You tried to throw me off. Because I get the Charlotte vibe and you went, oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Go away. Okay.
Fucking good.
Okay, so that's not good.
I'm that mean with the vein, like, that'll be the only one I get, by the way.
Okay, so there's 2 answers for both of these. I'll take either. What used to be my favourite drink and shot?
vodka lemonade and a sambuca shot.
Okay, I'll take both of those.
I would have
What
said
would you
sambuca for the shot.
Okay. Oh, in fact, what used to be my favourite drink? I mean, to be fair, I've always liked vodka lemonade.
You've only ever had vodka lemonade, like when
you know me, yeah. If you can give me like one of the ones that it used to be.
I was going to go for more of a gin vibe.
Oh no.
Oh heavens. But I would have, sambuca was the shot.
Why, what was you thinking?
Either vodka orange or vodka and Red Bull.
I was going to say vodka Red Bull.
I don't drink it
imagine you
anymore
drinking
just
that now.
because, yeah, actually,
Gives you bad memories.
yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It really
Mads
does.
gets that one.
So we actually spoke about this in your Who Knows Me Best.
Well, that's not fair.
Yeah, in my
No,
video.
as in, like, no, the 3 of us. So
Oh,
you should
in mine?
both know this. Oh yeah, but it was Mads'
sorry,
version of it.
yeah. I thought you were looking at her just because it was the one that you guys
No,
did.
but it's in Mads'
Right,
version of this.
okay.
What was my first job and where was the place I worked for over this point?
You were a receptionist at a photography studio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot that.
Did you forget?
That is right. Do you know the name of it?
I don't think you actually
No, I
said.
don't think so.
No.
Okay.
What is it?
Love Exclusive.
Yeah, you definitely never said
No,
that.
I didn't.
Love
Yeah,
exclusive.
Yeah.
What
That sounds like
photography was it?
No.
You want to come
I
and
literally
did
work
what?
for free as well,
Stick it.
like, I know.
You work for free?
Yeah.
2, 1. It'll be a
I'm
fun
gonna
dance,
regret
guys.
that.
Yeah.
What is my favourite kind of fragrance?
Wait, oud.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah! What's the other?
What kind of like something fruity, like something like.
Alright, I feel like that's more of a scent. I'm gonna
Like
appeal later to the judge.
That's the same thing, is it not?
Yeah.
Well, you said type of fragrance, so I didn't know if that was an eau de toilette or if it was an eau de parfum. Do you see what I'm saying?
I feel like I
Technicalities.
Okay. But still too
Man,
soon.
you can have that one.
Thank you.
Alright? You can have it. Yeah.
What is my favourite colour to wear?
Oh, fuck it, I'm in between 2.
I know, I'm in between Twitter.
Okay.
I'll be interested to see if we say the same
same
thing.
Did you say it at the same time?
Yeah.
Say the one alphabetically that comes first.
Okay. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Black and heather
red.
grey.
Oh.
You got black and
Yeah.
heather grey. What did you say? Black and red?
Black and red.
I never wear red.
I just thought you liked it. I don't know.
No, do you know what?
like
Red is my
me.
favourite colour. Red is
Oh,
like my
that's
favourite
probably
colour.
why I
And me. So
Yeah.
it's already getting lost.
Yeah.
I don't know who to give that to. It was black.
Oh, just that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, we both do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So me and my mum have
God.
have like a tradition where we go to see an artist. Like we go to a concert together, just the two of us. What is the artist?
Taylor Swift.
Yes.
Oh, that would have been my guess, but like I didn't know if that was
that.
Because I remember that's how you met someone.
Yeah.
And yeah,
I would have guessed Taylor Swift because I don't know who else would go with you.
What do you mean?
No, isn't it?
Yeah, I
If you
would've
went
thought
to
of
me
that.
and had, she wouldn't come see Taylor Swift, I think we'd go,
No.
oh.
You'd be like, no. No, but it's like that's
actually
when I was like
tradition.
13.
I know that you went, and you
Yeah.
know, that's cute though.
Because like we won tickets the first time and I met her, and then I met the second time, and
Yeah.
it just became a tradition. Okay, so you're winning now, aren't you?
What was you saying, Rachel?
By one.
I feel like we
That
are
would've
going
been-
to have a cuddle after this.
Okay, right.
No, this is, I'm not, when I'm looking at you like this, I'm
It's not
being
serious.
No, it's not serious.
No.
Okay,
We're
this
just
one,
comparative.
I don't know if either of you will be able to tell me one of these, but I want you to tell me a bad experience that I had whilst working in retail with like, okay.
Someone made you cry because
That's true.
because she was getting a foundation match.
Yeah.
And she was a fucking bitch and she was with her mum.
Oh my god, yeah.
And listen,
Wow, I didn't know any
I
of
was
that.
looking-
I
Did you know that?
I could have, anything I would have said would have been a guess of shit experience that I had.
Yeah.
Because I feel like Mac experience is the same.
Yeah. What was my first car? And you get a bonus point if you know what the colour of the car was. Didn't even finish the question, but here we are.
Was that Mini?
Yeah, it was a Mini.
Yeah, colour. I
What was the
know it because
colour?
I've seen the Mini.
In fact, have you been in the Mini?
Yeah.
You will have been in the. Have you been in the Mini?
no, but I knew it was a mini.
Yeah, Rachel.
Okay, well,
has
can I
been
get like
in the
half a
Mini.
point for that at least?
Yeah, it's a bonus point for the colour.
Oh, okay, so I get a full point. For the colour,
Yeah.
now,
Yeah.
fuck's sake, it's going to be a guess because I can't really remember. Was it a cream one?
Sorry.
Who's that?
Did you want to answer that? No. No, it wasn't cream. I'll give you one more guess.
Grey.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, like
That was gonna
silver.
be mine.
Yeah, they were my two answers.
I feel like I only ever have like plain car colours. You know,
Yeah,
like
me
black,
too.
white, grey.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
So what do I get for that? Just the one or
You
one
still
and a
got
half?
one because you got it wrong the first time. I'm sorry.
Fuck. Alright.
1.5.
No, so I did get 1.5. Oh yeah, because it was going to be a full butt. Yeah, okay.
1.5.
Alright, only half a point behind you now.
How many boyfriends have I had? And you get a bonus point if you can tell me how I met all three of them. Oh, I've just told you how many I had. Fucking hell, right? Am I dumb?
I was gonna say
Well, to
three.
be fair, you guys
I was
know-
gonna-
you guys
I
know
can
I
name them.
do.
I'll name them, but like.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah.
So
okay.
I knew it was three.
Okay, tell me how I met all three of them.
Okay.
School.
Wait, I put okay. Number 1 at school.
Yeah.
Number 2 on Tinder, and number 3 through me.
Oh, I was just going to say in Club Live.
No, it
Club Live?
wasn't. Oh,
But that's when I...
That's when you.
met him.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
as far as I'm aware, that was it.
Okay. Okay. What did my GCSE grades range from?
Wait, my buzz has gone, that's not fair, mummy!
Okay, I'll give you that one.
Wasn't it all A's and B's?
No.
A stars and C's.
No.
Was it all A stars?
A stars and A's.
Oh.
I'm a clever.
Clever cookie.
Clever cookie. You were closer. A's and B's.
It's because that's what I got.
What pets have I had other than my cats?
Your battery. Sorry, that wasn't my answer.
Okay.
Why is my buzzer not buzzing?
Okay, this is-
Mine's died. What do you want to hear
No.
now?
What cats? Sorry.
What
You
pets
had
have I had?
bunnies.
Oh, I had bunnies.
Oh.
Who's guessing?
Judge, she used the wrong buzzer.
You had a rabbit, right?
I had a rabbit.
Oh, is that not it?
No.
You had a rabbit and...
The other one's.
Oh, well you did have a rabbit.
I did have a rabbit. I'll give you that.
Fish?
Yeah. Yes. It's not really
Oh.
like a pet.
I think we're even now.
You probably are even.
You're like too ahead of me.
Okay, I don't know if you guys are gonna know this. What colour was my prom dress? I feel like you could maybe make a guess. I don't know if you actually know. I don't know if you've seen a picture. I can give you multiple choice if you're gonna struggle.
No, let me
wanna guess?
Okay, I was gonna. Okay.
I feel like based off like what I wear.
I was gonna say black.
I was gonna say black.
No.
White.
Yeah. Okay, this one might be a bit difficult. So I once flew to America to meet a guy that I was speaking to. Do you know where it was that I flew to? That we...
Oh, I'm like, I know it.
I feel like you will know it. That's what I mean, but it's still a bit of a difficult one.
Oh crap.
I don't know if you'll know this. I think you might do.
I've got.
I don't know why I've got like Texas.
I was gonna say that. I was literally going Texas.
What the hell? Sorry, Texas. We'll both take a point for that.
Texas was what was sticking out, but then I was thinking it was going to be something like Texas, like New Jersey, or just like something.
Like not a place that I've like been to otherwise.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Texas.
We actually listened. That was pretty much all the questions.
Oh. So you won.
So you won.
Congratulations. That was quite close though.
Yeah, that was close.
Yeah.
But do you know what? You got more than I thought you got into.
Yeah.
Especially with the
that
last
humdinger.
one.
You thought it would be the humdinger?
Yeah, I did actually. I didn't think you get that. I didn't think either of you know.
Oh. I don't know why we both like couldn't say it. We were like.
I know it was like on the tip of my tongue.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to like confirm with Texas, but
We'll maybe do this in a year's time and see if anything's improved.
Okay, my camera is literally gonna die, but
that was funny.
I feel like
it's by like 1.5. You're at them up on the
really
screen.
close, so
it wasn't quite the landslide. That
wasn't. But do you know what? That's what I expected. I feel like you said, I've known you guys equal time.
yeah. What?
Can you fucking midget? Come back!
Yeah, that was the final video of this Who Knows Me Best series. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching these. I'm going to leave links to Mads and Rachel's channels down below as always. It's literally like 11 o'clock now, so I'm pretty sure we're just going to go to bed and
I wonder if there's any other, is there like another challenge that's like this but not like this?
Yeah,
let us know.
We'll think of something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
Well
done.
Easy. Nicely done.
Well played, even though you wanted to be like, fuck you, and fuck you. Hello?
Yeah, maybe let's do a...
Yeah. It's for you.
Hello.
They said you motherfucking bitch!